Yeah. Hello, my students. How are you doing? You're welcome. You're welcome once again. How was yesterday? It was on a Friday, but I tried, please, to do, but there was some circumstances. That's why I invited my student, and he tried to teach you some contents, and issue of network happened. So I'm so sorry. Now we are going today's lesson. What you have, we are going to deal with this kind of derivative. Yes, we are going to find the derivative of this function. Right? Please, I invite everyone, don't miss, and try to follow. How should we do the derivative of this given function? It is y which is equal to tan x. Now let's keep waiting other students on our platform and trying to see what are you going to do. Please, I invite for those who are new on our platform to make a like, and also you have to subscribe. Please, I need your comment, please, there in the box comment. Remember also, we have discussed about this day. I mean, on every Saturday, we should start our course on 4 o'clock p.m., right? So we're still waiting other students in our class, and try to be connected. Please don't go. Are you together there? Hello for those who are online. Hello, hello. So that is our main objective, please. We are going to deal with this equation, right? Where we are going to find its derivative. Now, let us find the solution of this question. Last time, I told you about, for example, if you have, this is a function where I told you that it is equal to f of x. When you have given y is equal to f of x, it means that this is a function similar to this one. Yes? Now, for example, we have y which is 2x, right? Now, how should we find the derivative of this given function? We need to have, it is dy over dx. It means I want to find the derivative of this y, our given function, respect to x of d2, right? This one. Now here we should have it is 2 dx. Now which is equal to 4. Means the derivative of this 2x is equal to this number 2. Are we together there? Yes, guys. Now let us continue. Thank you very much. Good. We are here. Thank you very much. For those who are on our platform, we are so happy, please, to see you here. So now it is the derivative of y is equal to this 2x. We have seen that its derivative it will be this number. Where, as I told you last time, if you have, for example, f of x is its derivative it will be, for example, I've given f of x which is equal to x. Here on the value of x we have a power of 1. And here it means power of this x is equal to 1. Here we have 1. Then n is equal to 1. When we are going to make the derivative of this x, it means that we should have f of x, its derivative it will be, you have to take that n from here, you write n and times this value of x. Are we together? Then power that n minus 1. So, as I told you, if we are in derivative, it means that your function is decreasing. So, finally, f of x will be n times x power n minus 1. That is what we have applied to this question, where we should have, yes, f of x is equal to 2x. Then f of x derivative, it will be 2 times, here we have n times 1 times x power 1 minus 1. Finally, f of x will be, this is 2 times x power 0. Finally, we have 2, yes, times 1. Because any number power 0 is equal to 1, right? Now let us continue for solving this our given equation. We have given y is equal to tan x. Yes? How should we find the derivative of this tan x? Yes, it will be, it is dy over dx. We are going to make derivative respect to x. That's why we use the derivative of y respect to x. It will be, it is tan x derivative. So in trigonometric ratios, we really know if you have given tan x, its general formula, it is sine x over cosine x. Are we together there? Yes? So, now apart from those, we are going to see how should we apply this formula. Now, if we have just a over b derivative similar to this one, it means we are going to use that formula. It is a over b, yes, derivative. We have to take a derivative, yes, times b, which is not derivative, minus a, which is not derivative, right, times b, which is derivative over this b squared, right? That is the formula that we are going to apply on above question. Are we together here? It is what we are going to apply to this above question, where we should have, excuse me, yes. Now let us apply this formula on this above question. We really have sine x over cosine x. It will be, this is take sine x, which is derivative, times cosine x, which is not derivative, minus this sine x, which is not derivative, times cosine x, which is derivative, over cosine x square. So now at this, we are going to make a derivative of each term. Then sine x over cosine x, derivative as what we have, it will be derivative of this one. As I told you last time, we have seen the derivative by using these two axes, where we have cosine x, sine x. The inverse of cosine x is equal to minus cosine x, and the inverse of, or opposite of this vertical, it will be downward, where we have minus sine x. Now, when we are making the derivative, as I told you last time, it is we are just going downward. About the derivative, you come up downward, right? So it means derivative of sine is equal to cosine, right? Derivative of cosine is equal to minus sine. Now that is what you're going to apply to this one. Where we have the derivative of this sine, it will be cosine. Then after, we shall have, this is sine, its derivative, it is cosine. Cosine x times cosine x. Are we together here? Then we are just reaching here, minus, this is sine x times, we have minus cosine x, the inverse of the opposite of this one. So this is sine x times, this is cosine derivative, it will be down to here, it is minus sine x. Are we together there? Now, over cosine x, x square. This one, cosine x square. Yes, that is what we are going to do about derivative. Yes, now we have to see what we are going to combine. Are we together, please? Write in the comment and continue. Please type in the comment, please. Write in the comment box. Please write in the comment box, please. So guys, I was out pleased for solving another issues. So now let us continue. Let us continue for this question. So I'm going to finish these ones. It was sin x over cosine x derivative. The answer that you have seen here, it was cosine x times cosine x minus sin x times minus sin x over cosine square x. Now let us continue. So you see here above we have this is a cosine times cosine also. We have two cosines, means that its multiplication will be cosine square x. This minus will come to multiply to this, then we still have plus sine square x over cosine square x. Now in trigonometric ratios, we have seen this formula. If we have cosine square x plus sine square x is equal to 1. This is a law that you find in trigonometric ratios. How? Also, another thing that you have to know, as I told you last time, if you have cosine square x, it should be equal to 1 minus sine square x. Also, the second one, if you have sine square x, it should be 1 minus cosine square x. Among those two kind of trigonometric ratios, if we take one and substitute in our original equation here above, let us see whether we should have this one to all sides. Let us take randomly this cosine square. Where we have cosine square x, we have to put this 1 minus sine square x. Then finally, it is 1 minus sine square x plus, you see, this one is equal to 1 minus sine square x. Now we take this and put it in the place of this cosine square x plus sine square x is equal to 1. I want to prove this one. Now finally, we still have, are you looking here down? Let me come here. Yes, finally we have to simplify this and this one, then we remain with 1 equal to 1. So back to our equation here that we have, where we are going to substitute this cosine square x plus this sine square x is equal to 1, right? Then where we have this term, yes, it means we are going to put this one in those two terms. Then we still are looking down here. Let me come to this side. Have you seen this one? Hello, hello. Have you seen this one, please? Yes or not? Yes or not? Now let us clean this. Then we should have, which is equal, cosine square x plus sine square x is equal to 1. We have proved it over cosine square x. Are we together here? Now, if we are reaching here, it means this is the final answer, or there is another possibility. It will be 1 over cosine x times 1 over cosine x. You really see? We have 1 over cosine x times 1 over cosine x. It means when we're making their multiplication, it should be equal 1 over cosine square x. Now, in mathematics or in trigonometric relation, if you have that one, this term is equal to sec x. Secant, right? Sec x. Or as we have it here, this it should be 1 over cosine x times 1 over cosine x, where this term is equal to this secant x. Then finally, let's have where we have 1 cosine x times 1 over cosine x, it should be sec x times this term is equal to sec x, and this one also is equal to sec x. Then you make their multiplication, we should have sec x squared. Now, this is the final answer for derivative of this tan x is equal to sec square x. So now the possibility, it was that one. Yes, the one who just said it, thank you. Yeah, thank you very much. Good. Yeah, I see. We are there. Yeah, thank you. Welcome. So now let us continue by giving you another example where you're going to try to do it personally. Are you together? Yes, please don't forget to tap on like. Yes, I see you. Thank you very much. Yeah. Yeah, we are so fine. Even there, please in India, how are you? Yeah, our climate, we have just a rain somehow. Yeah. Good. Thank you very much. So now let us continue. Let me give you another example or another exercise that you have to do personally. Let us have also find the derivative of f of x is equal to cos x. You have to find the derivative of that kind of trigonometric relation. Right? You have to focus on what you have seen last time, and you have also to find its derivative. Personally, please. Yes, you have remember to tap on like. So now let us continue by making the solution of this question. Now we have given f of x is equal to cot x. Then we have asked also to find the derivative of our given function, where it is, first of all, what you have to do, as I told you last time, you have to remember the formula of this trigonometric ratio, where we have cot x is equal to, yes, it is cosine x over sine x. It means in general, cot x is the inverse of tan. So now it is f of x derivative, where we have it is cosine x over sine x derivative. So as I told you, if you have this fraction, it seems like it is a over b. Now its derivative, as I told you, it should be a, which is the derivative times b, which is not derivative minus a also, without its derivative times b with the derivative over b square. Now this is the general formula that we are going to apply there above. Thank you very much. Another day person, thank you very much. You're welcome. Now we really have cot x, which is cosine x over sine x, derivative it will be, right? We have a, it is cosine x derivative times sine x, which is not, minus cosine x also, which is not derivative, times b, it is sine x derivative. Let us use brackets. Now finally we should have remember, here you have to divide by sine square x. Are we looking there down? Yes. Now let us continue. Cosine x derivative, as I told you. I have just showed you about how should we find the derivative of any kind or any type of trigonometric ratios by using Cartesian plan. Yes, here we should have on the vertical axis, we should have, it is sine x. On the horizontal one, we have cosine x. The opposite of this horizontal, we have minus cosine x, and the opposite of this vertical downward, we have minus sine x. Then derivative of cosine x, you have to come down here. Cosine x, its derivative, it is minus sine x, right? Now you still have, it is minus sine x times this sine x minus also it is, so this is cosine x times sin x derivative. This is sin x derivative. You come down, it is cosine x over sin square x. Now the next will be sine times sine, it will be minus sine square x minus cosine square x over sine square x. Are we together? Now the next step it will be the next one, it will be, we have minus sine square x minus cosine square x over sine square x. Now we are going to factorize. Where we have negative, we put that negative in factor form. Then finally we still have minus, open a bracket, sine square x plus cosine square x, close the bracket, over this sine square x. Now remember, I have showed you, if you have sine square x plus cosine square x, it means sine square x plus cosine square x will be equal to 1. I have showed you how we should approve this one. Then after, where we have those two terms, we are going to put there that number. Now the final, it will be, are you looking down here? Now it is 1 over sine square x. Now the final one, we are going to factorize this. It will be 1 over sine x times 1 over sine x. Right? Are we together? So if you have this term, its inverse, it should be the inverse of 1 over sine. It will be 1 over sine x times 1 over sine x. This one is equal to cosec x. And also this one similar to this, which is cosec x. Then finally you have to make multiplication. We still have cosec x square. Now the final one answer, it was sorry, the problem, it was the derivative of cot x, it will be cosec x square. This is the final answer. So now also I have to say thank you very much. Yeah. Please don't forget to tap on like. For those who are new, remember to subscribe and share whether the content is most helpful in your daily life. Thank you very much. Yeah, I see. Another day. Thank you very much. Yeah. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Similar to this one. Cosec square x. Another person. Yes, right. It is cosec square x. Right? Yeah, that one here. Good. Other ones? Yeah, I see you're following. Thank you very much. Yeah, good. Please, for those who are new, please, how are you? Write in the comments so that we should know your name, please. How is the Saturday, please? Hello, hello. Please try to react, please. Try to react. Hello, hello, Rikita. You are so missed, please. You are so missed. But you come late also. Where have you been? Hello. The one who is new. This person is new. Quit. You are so new on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Where do you come from? Where do you come? Yes, brother, I subscribe now. Thank you very much. But where do you come from? Where do you come from, please? Yes, if you have done to subscribe, thank you very much. But we need please to know your home country. I'm from Malaysia, brother. Thank you very much. You're welcome. You're welcome in our platform. How is there, Malaysia? Please tell us, tell us. And don't forget to tell us what time is it from there. So nice here. You should take a vacation here later. Thank you very much. If I just have something, I try to come there to visit you. Don't worry. But also, even you should come here in our country. What time is it there in Malaysia right now? Thank you for those who are giving me a stick or a heart sticks. Thank you very much. Thank you. We like you, teacher. Thank you very much. Me too, I like you. Also, I like the way you're supporting me, especially people from there in India. Please, guys, don't forget to share this video. Also, for the students from or those who are in grade 9, grade 7, I'm going to prepare for you some contents concerning to mathematics from your grade. Don't be afraid, please, of those you have asked me last time. So those contents will come in this coming week. Don't worry. Are we together? Thanks. Thank you. Yeah, I see. So remain with some minutes, like 7. so that we should end up our session. Now, it is better also for those who are new to tap on like. Don't forget that. So as I told you last time, on last Friday, I told you that on Monday or next, I will bring some students here on our platform as just requested. So don't be please, don't miss on that time. I will bring them here and try to make a short discussions, even if it should be a long discussions. It will depend on your time. Don't miss at that hour. Yes, I see. Thank you very much. We are ready. Thank you very much. Yeah. Yes, you like the way I teach you. Thank you. I see. So the one from Malaysia, have you gone? Please try to react. Have you gone? Yes, the one said thanks for giving. Yeah, you're welcome. Also, another special thing that you don't forget, I am going to prepare for you an exam for what have we seen in those last weeks. Yeah, forgiving. Thank you very much. Be prepared, please. We will see whether how. Yes, yeah, of course. We will see whether the content have been covered well. On Monday, I will tell you the time that we will do that test. Also, remain with the 4 minutes so that we should end up our session. Thanks very much. We are keeping watching you, teacher. Thank you. You are welcome. Don't forget also to share to your colleagues. Now we remain with some minutes for ending our today's lesson. Only 1 and 45 seconds. Yeah, I see. Thanks very much. Good. Now, don't forget that tomorrow I will bring a new teacher here in front of you where you will share a different contents. The one said, Akita, morning people, morning to you. Are you in the morning time? Now, we remain with 30 seconds, so I'm going to end up our today's lesson. Now I have to give you announcement. Right? Yes. Yeah. On Monday at that hour, it means it will be 5 and 10 p.m. o'clock. We shall have a class. Yes, don't miss, please. Where you will have a new teacher who will teach you about probability. Yes, as you requested about the probability, he will come here and try to teach, just he will share with you some contents concerning two probabilities. Please don't miss at that time. Also, I have to say, for those who are reaching in the early morning to them also, for those who are reaching in the night, good night. Also, I have to say goodbye to everyone. See you on Monday at that time. Remember, tomorrow it is a break. Thank you very much. Bye.